Hi friends, it's your friendly neighborhood feminist lawyer coming at you again with some more information that you really need to know. In the comments in some of my previous videos, I've seen a lot of people going kind of ape about Miranda rights and the recent SCOTUS ruling that had a bearing on Miranda. Folks are going, Miranda doesn't exist. You don't have to be Mirandized anymore. This isn't true. To back it up, Miranda rights are the rights that cops are supposed to read you upon detainment. So the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney, etc. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law, da 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 da. And the rule for Miranda is that if a police officer does not read you these rights prior to detaining you, then any evidence that they gain from testimony, etc., during that detainment that was improperly done can be excluded in court. That is still the case. Sometimes some stuff sneaks its way around it, and with the temperature of the court being what it is, it's not super defendant friendly right now. So, I mean, it's not a great ruling that just happened. But Miranda still exists, and you should still be Mirandized. And if you are not Mirandized, then this evidence can definitely be challenged and thrown out, completely excluded from a trial. What this recent ruling did do was remove the potential for civil remedies after the fact. So if you get arrested and the arrest is done improperly without Miranda, and then you accidentally confess, or there's a confession drawn from you or something like that, and then it's brought out in court or it comes out in the news or something like that, you can't turn around and sue the cops after the fact for dragging you through all this mess on an improper arrest. That's pretty much what happened in the case that was brought to bear on this. There was a person who was arrested with improper Miranda, and there was a written confession extracted from him before he knew he was under detainment because he wasn't told, and then it resulted in a bunch of rigmarole for him, and he turned around and tried to sue for the rigmarole. And Justice Alito wrote in his opinion that being Mirandized and being properly arrested isn't a constitutional right, which is why it shouldn't give rise to a civil suit after the fact. It's not a total throwing out of your Miranda rights. You can still remain silent and request an attorney, but it does take some of the teeth out of Miranda. So if they do it wrong, really the cops are just risking getting their evidence thrown out or risking a conviction, not risking personal civil suit, which has a lot more teeth. So there's the skinny on Miranda. Stay safe out there, friends. Keep fighting the good fight.